The 2018 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, airbags, front, dual seat cushion, electronic messaging assistance with read function. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.